We stayed in that beauty right there, 39th floor. 33 bucks a night. Not bad, huh? Damn, I wish I could stay here one more night. I didn't even use the pool. Okay, let's go to the top. So this is the rooftop, one of the buildings we're staying in. See the mountains over there, bigger one over there. Oh, that one looks good. So we're staying here for 2 days already, and it's time to move. I just arrived 2 days ago. But that looks good too. That mountain. Whew, there's even bigger ones over there behind the buildings. Looks like it's raining over there. And today we have a plan to move on. We're gonna keep going up north. To see the rice fields, 2,000 years old rice fields. It's gonna be a long ride on a scooter, a motorcycle. GPS says 8 hours, so we have 2 days. We have 2 days for it. Let's go see the other side. There's a pretty big mountain over there, I see. I wonder how far away are they? All of them. Probably couple hour ride. And look at Manila. This is Makati area I'm staying. I don't know what to think about this city. Has its good and bad. Oh. Yeah. It's time to leave. I'm not a big fan of Manila. It's dirty, too many people, and very dirty again. Okay, that's about it. Wow, lots of cargo ships over there. I'm more interested exploring outside of Manila. I don't like big cities, so let's go for a ride. It's gonna be a long one. Okay, it's gonna be an interesting day. We're in Makati.
You're without helmet, huh?
And we going where? Papangas, right? Pampanga?
No, we're going Banaue now.
Oh yeah, we're going to Banaue, rice terraces. It's like an 8-hour drive on a motorcycle in the heat. Will be interesting. You better be careful here.
Grabe.
It's crazy. Concrete jungle. You never rode a motorcycle here yet, right?
Just yesterday when I get this.
First time? Huh? Oh Lord.
Look at the price. 3,000 plus.
For 36, 38, and 380. This is the Evo one.
Ano yan? Full face lahat?
Yeah. Wala nang...
You got the helmet.
yeah.
Yeah. Motoronda.
Motoranda is a famous vlogger in the Philippines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you vlog?
Siya ang
Ah,
ganda
just-
naman nito.
Yeah. He's a policeman and also a vlogger.
Oh, okay. I gotta check it out.
Here.
Oh, I see.
That one.
On YouTube?
And yes, and also in a Facebook.
Okay, okay.
Motoranda vlog.
You have it here. Look.
Huh? Now we finally ready
That's
for the road trip. Woohoo!
rice.
It's gonna be a long ride. Very long. We're gonna need some air. What's up, buddy? You gonna help? Oh. Come here. He didn't like me.
Magkano ba bahayin dito ko? Ha?
Sabi ba kaya ba to? Ano to? Kano?
Jollibee.
You're not supposed to
What?
say on the first thing in the video. It's too hard to edit, you know. One time.
Filipino McDonald's. And of course, food comes with rice here. Jollibee. Rice everywhere. The worst fast food on the planet. Oh, looks like it's gonna rain. Okay, we ready. Woo. Let's go. We got caught in a big ass rain. But we found a shelter. It even has a one bedroom. This is living room.
You can stay here.
Huh?
You can stay here all night.
Yeah. Wow. It's gonna rain really bad, I'm telling you. Okay, so this is what you get for 18 bucks. I'm surprised. And there's a swimming pool too. I'll take it. Let's eat. Let's eat. I'm hungry. I'm starving. This is cool, huh? Oh, that's even better. This one even better. Remember, I told you I like this. Huh? Wow, this is so cool. I want one like this. Huh?
In the Philippines, they sell it like for 30,000.
Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 Time is running. Time is running out. Time is running out. What if my best days aren't over? They can be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days aren't over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. 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 Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deepest seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
How's the food?
There's some place we can
100 peso per plate.
could put this motorcycle
bad.
and then we can go ride a bus instead.
No. 147 kilometers more. But we're in a mountain area already.
You're the one who did that.
Beep, beep. Okay. Maybe we keep going, huh? Okay, time to go. 4 more hours. Look at this driver here. We don't have time for that. Oh, huh? Then we just got the pillow. My ass hurts so bad, we have to buy the pillow. Holy shit, it's no fun.
You happy?
We'll see.
Sige tama.
New patent. So we're taking a break. We got still 2 more hours. My ass hurts like hell. But we found some fruits. What is it? It's hard, right? It's probably not ready. This one banana, right?
Don't have banana.
But where's banana? Ay, 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 ay. Whew. It was not a good idea. Don't do it. Don't ever do it. It's too far. Name of that fruit? Huh?
I forgot.
Look at the monkey.
I'm stealing something. Oh my god, it's overripe.
It's ready? Oh shit.
It's
Huh. They don't have another one? Oh my god, look at that one. How big is it? Right next. Yeah, that one. Oh my goodness. It's not ready?
go fast. Come on. It's not.
Huh?
It's just,
This one has ants.
that's why I gave it to you.
You grabbed the wrong one. Has ants inside, like a nest. See?
Let me see. No.
No, I thought they coming to the hole. No. How you open it?
Let's go there.
What's up? What's up? Watch out! Watch out!
This is one like very sweet and kind of sour.
Kind of sour? Really?
I can't believe we steal one. No, not one.
We're not stealing. It's nobody's land, right? Holy. moly.
Smells like mango.
Is it like seeds inside or something? Mmm, smells pretty
like-
interesting. Why, you eat like this? Oh my god,
How is it?
it's good. It's interesting. Wow. Mmm. Tastes like mango. Wow, that's crazy. Yum, 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 yum. We're not gonna die?
No. This is a food. I should get the other one, but the ants are there.
Maybe we can take this one with us. They're gone.
Yeah.
But
So
this
we'll
one's
take it.
but this one's hard.
Yeah. We need to wait for a day or two.
Think it's gonna get ready that quick?
It's like a family of jackfruit, I guess. I don't know.
Good stuff. Dad, what are you doing?
It's nothing. Keep it.
You just press the... Kurwa mać. You want my ass to fucking hurt even more?
How am I supposed to know? These guys know.
Oh Lord, help.
It's not even long.
You said? Yeah?
Yummy ay
Control. A little coffee break. Almost there. Maybe 1 more hour. What did the policeman said? 1 more hour or hour and a half?
an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. So it's like it's gonna be 12 hours altogether instead of 7 hours like we thought. It is what it is. So what do you say? You're gonna go next time? 1 more time?
No, I'd rather sleep.
Huh?
I'd rather spend my life sleeping on bed than
Next time bus.
this is nice.
Never try
I do puke on the
to
bus.
go to Banaue from Manila on a motorcycle. It's too much. Unless you have a good seat
Or unless you have a big butt.
or you have a big butt, maybe. Because my butt is in pain. I'm fucking birdie alive.
Why the trucks are there?
Huh? Yeah.
They think they're doing their
Our hotel room right here. With the view, I think it's like 14 bucks a night. The weather's not too pretty. It was raining, but tomorrow we're gonna explore. We're gonna fly the drone, maybe rest tomorrow and hike day after tomorrow. We'll see, we'll see. Looks interesting. That's it? Oh my god. I'm scared.